Hi there, you're watching Gardens and Graveyards, and today we're taking a look at a new raised bed in our garden. This raised bed was made by using organic materials found around our property. Some leftover boards, some leftover, I think there's some privet and rhododendron in there. And of course we had to cut some of those funky limbs with a chainsaw, but mostly we just jumped on it a lot and added more sticks and added more soil and compost and a ton of perlite and more compost, and I had to deadhead some daffodils, so I just threw those in there too. It's just a big layered slow compost kind of a bin. I watered it in throughout the layers just to get things settled in between all the cracks and crannies. And then we put a good layer of compost before we put on our raised bed potting soil, watered it in, let it sit for a day, and then it was ready to plant. Hi there, you're watching Gardens and Graveyards, and my name is Charisma. Today we're in the backyard in our new raised bed, and it's time to plant. So as you know, this bed has compost and potting soil in it, so it has a lot of nutrition in it, but I'm going to give it some rose and flower food. Before I plant anything, this is a great opportunity to do that. So I'm gonna just get a bunch in there. Bigger than you think it is.
I know, it really is.
And then I'm just gonna scratch it in because there is the layer of compost, so it's just gonna be the immediate roots that are gonna take up this what is it?
Fertilizer. That stuff.
This stuff. We've been waiting all winter to get this planted, so excited. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is plant this artichoke that was already in the ground in this location. I know that it actually does like this location, so it's gonna be this, like the star of this bed. She's gonna go right in the middle, a little towards the back, because I'm gonna grow squash on this side. She's not as deep as this container. I don't think. No. Okay. That's last year's growth. Thought I saw a cat go by. Okay. Take off last year's growth. But you can see there's like new babies coming on. We'll just add that in. Okay. And this is the purple Romania. So it's supposed to have a purple artichoke. All right. So then this is a black zucchini. Let's see. or as black as a zucchini's gonna get. It's like dark, very dark green.
Eggplanty almost.
Hmm.
And just another pearl.
There's actually 2 in here, so I'm going to divide them.
Butterflies.
And plant 1 on each end. Whoa, it's full. Take these old leaves off. Take this old leaf off. Okay. And let's put that by 1. Then, I don't know if you remember, I'll put it in the links below, but we attempted to grow sunflowers in milk jugs over the winter. How long ago? February? This has probably been almost 3 months.
Pretty close.
So this is a dark cherry, chocolate cherry sunflower, which should look like this eventually. They're kind of spindly, but we had some decent germination. And I think that we could get them out here and see how they work. 4 or 5 inches apart. So the cool thing about sunflowers is you can actually bury the stem to give it some strength.
Are those all gonna go in here? Or they're gonna go in the big bed too.
Okay, so then we have moon shadow sunflower. Not looking so hot.
Not gonna be going.
Nope. And then we have Italian white. Which did The sunflowers that did not come up are the moon shadow. So I'm going to go ahead and sow these direct in this garden right now. They want to be 1 inch deep.
What's your salad on there?
Going to actually put these in the back. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing, liking, and ringing the bell so that you get notified every time we post a new video, and this helps our channel grow. Until the next time, keep celebrating life today.